You've probably come across these types of videos before. These channels are racking up millions of views with simple animations, gaining thousands of subscribers with just a handful of uploads. This particular video has reached 1.2 million views, while others in the same niche are also pulling in massive numbers. Some creators are even earning an estimated $12,000 per month just by producing these basic videos. Yet, most people don't know how to create content like this, especially if they have zero animation skills. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make these videos yourself. And along the way, I'll unveil a game-changing secret that will elevate this niche to the next level. I haven't seen anyone else using this technique, so you won't want to miss it. I know you might be tempted to skip ahead, but trust me, stick around. I always get straight to the point, and by watching the full video, you'll learn all the key steps, plus the exclusive secret that no one else is sharing. The kind of content we'll be creating today revolves around simple, hand-drawn, stick figure animations. That's exactly the format we'll be following, but with a unique twist that will set your videos apart. I'll walk you through the best free tools that make it possible to create these videos while saving you thousands of dollars. I've spent a great deal of time researching the top tools available, ones that anyone can use, even if you're a complete beginner with no prior experience. Let's dive into the process of creating your first video in this niche. We'll be following 6 simple steps, and step 5 is where the real magic happens. So make sure you don't skip anything. Step 1, teaching ChatGPT what we want. The first thing we need to do is train ChatGPT to understand exactly what kind of content we're aiming for. Start by finding some publicly available stick figure drawings for reference. Once inside ChatGPT, upload the screenshots and type, "I need you to analyze these images and the script behind them." Then paste the script right after your message. This helps ChatGPT understand the style, structure, and flow of the video so it can generate something similar for you. ChatGPT will then analyze both the images and the script, breaking them down into key detail. Step 2, generating the script and image prompts. Now that we have ChatGPT's analysis, we'll move on to generating the script and image prompts for each scene. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Great, now I need you to write a 2-minute motivational story in the same style you analyzed." Then create image prompts that match each scene. First, write the story, then list the image prompts. ChatGPT will then generate a full script for your video along with prompts for creating visuals. Step 3, generating the voiceover. Now that we have our script, it's time to generate the voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs, an amazing tool that provides a variety of voice options. To keep things moving, I'll pick a random voice for this demonstration. However, I recommend taking your time to find a voice that truly fits your project. Once you've selected a voice, paste the script into 11 Labs. Make sure to separate each scene so the narration flows smoothly. After that, click Generate, and in a few moments, you'll have a professional quality voiceover. Let's hear how it sounds.
You have big dreams. You see the future you want, the success, the freedom.
Sounds pretty good, right? Now, let's move on to the visuals. Step 4, creating the images for each scene. Earlier, ChatGPT generated image prompts for us. Now, we simply need to copy these prompts and use them to generate images in Leonardo AI. So, copy the first prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo by prompt box, and add ratio 16.9 at the end to ensure it fits YouTube's standard aspect ratio. After that, click the paperclip icon and hit enter. In a few moments, boom, the generated images look great. Repeat this process for the rest of your images. To speed things up, you can reuse certain elements and tweak the prompts slightly to maintain consistency. Step 5, the game changer, AI animation. Now, here's where we take things to the next level. Most creators in this niche are only using static images, but we're going to animate them. There are plenty of AI-powered animation tools out there, such as Pika, Runway, Luma, and Helu. For this tutorial, I'll be using Hailuai, as it offers great quality and even provides free daily credits for generating videos. Once you've downloaded your images, head over to Hailuai, sign up with your email, and claim your free credits. Then click Create, select Image to Video, and upload your first image. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Hailuai prompt section, and hit Generate. The free version allows up to 3 animations at a time, while the paid version lets you generate up to 5 at once. If you've made it this far into the video, congratulations! You're among the top 1% of people who are truly serious about starting their journey in YouTube automation. If you appreciate this content, consider subscribing and leaving a comment saying 1% so I know you're part of the dedicated few. Now repeat the animation process for all your images. Once they're generated, review them to ensure they align with your script. If anything is missing, such as a scene showing wealth, freedom, and happiness, simply ask ChatGPT to generate more prompts and follow the same steps. Step 6, assembling everything in a video editor. Now for the final step, putting everything together. There are many editing tools available, but one of the best free options is CapCut. Simply import your voiceover and animated visuals into CapCut, align them properly, and add some background music for extra engagement. Once everything is in place, export the final video and you're ready to upload. And that's it. You've just learned how to create viral stick figure animation videos from scratch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to support the channel.